Hello everyone, I am Dr Pallavi, Consultant Obstetrician and Head of Obstetrics Services at Fernandez Hospital. We are excited to invite you to the second annual Stillbirth Society of India Conference, which will be held in Hyderabad from September 13 to 15. Professor Jason Gardosi and Emily Butler from the Perinatal Institute, UK will facilitate a fetal growth assessment protocol workshop at the conference. Identifying the slowing of fetal growth is the most important way of preventing stillbirths. This is the only program that calculates growth velocity. The UK uses this extensively and has shown a continued decrease in the stillbirth rate. It's our privilege to facilitate this workshop. Register today to join this change and help bring the rate of stillbirths down to 10 by 2030. See you at the conference.